At Mitsubishi Electric, we elevate building management solutions to a craft, ensuring your buildings operate smarter, greener, and more efficiently. Built on a century of Japanese manufacturing excellence, we deliver more than just precision engineering. We ensure seamless integration. From high-quality escalators are built to last up to 40 years. Destination Oriented Allocation System. And elevators are designed to deliver safety, ecology, efficiency, and comfort. To HVAC systems that orchestrate optimal temperature. And airflow across the entire facility. All are efficiently interconnected with electrical systems, operating reliably day and night, and evolving alongside the building's life cycle. We maintain uninterrupted operations through data-driven continuous improvement, ensuring consistent long-term value. Especially, our system can deliver smarter performance with insight that turns complexity into clarity. Real-time data enables faster decisions and improvement. Flexible by design, our BMS is highly customizable to meet the unique demands of diverse sectors, including factories, data centers, and commercial offices. Mitsubishi Electric Building Management Solutions seamlessly integrate our products and third-party equipment into one ecosystem. Every movement is measured and optimized, resulting in a lower TCO and stronger long-term returns. Toward a greener future through BMS innovation across Apex cities. Mitsubishi Electric Building Management Solutions. Orchestrated integration for greater efficiency.
Mitsubishi Electric.